I give thanks to the Almighty. Girl pretty in a off-white tee. Living life, man, I pre your IG. Skin soft, so you need your ID. And girl, you a queen of a nation. Dark skin girl, they ain't related. Tryna be like you, so they hate and they liking the juice that Jamaican. I think.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I've come to with my nice little bonnet. Guys, I get annoyed doing my makeup with my wig on. Unless it's your frontal wig, then I have no choice because I like putting my frontals before I do my makeup. But if it's a closure wig, I'm putting that wig at the end. So because my cornrows are expired, you don't want to see my cornrows right now. So that's why we got the bonnet today, so we can get the face, then I'll put the wig at the end. But anyway, so today I'm just gonna give you another eyeshadow look because you know me, I like creating great eyeshadow look. So that's what we're going to do today. I want to do a nice reddish yellowish eyeshadow look today. So yeah, that's what we are going to go for. So yeah, without talking too much, let's just get straight into the video. So first thing first is grabbing the Revolution Cut Crease canvas. I'm literally going to use this to prime my lid because I want that yellow to be popping. Okay, right, grabbing a fluffy brush, I'm just gonna blend that. Okay, now that the base is blended, we are going to go straight into eyeshadow, and I'm first going to go in with the Mega Revolution X Tammy Tropical Carnival eyeshadow palette. It has some nice bright colors in here. So the first color we're going to take is yellow. So the shade is called Jouvert, is it? Yeah. Just gonna take the yellow shade. I'm gonna use that as my transition. Okay, the next shade we are going to take is the orange shade called Spice Island. Just gonna pop that right underneath the yellow. Okay, and what I'm going to do next is take a smaller blending brush. Okay, I'm gonna take a smaller blending brush and I'm gonna take the red shade right there. It's called Trini, and I'm going to focus this on the outer part. And then I'm gonna bring it inwards, just right into the eye socket, like so. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is going back with the fluffy brush that we used earlier, the bigger one. I'm just gonna blend everything out so the blend is seamless. Okay, I'm happy with that. Right, we're going to cut the crease, so I'm going to go back with the cut crease canvas. Just put a little bit of that on the back of my hand, and then taking my small pencil brush, I'm just gonna cut the crease. Okay, now going back with the smaller blending brush, take a bit more of the red, and I'm just gonna pack that right there. Okay, I'm gonna go back to that. Now what I'm going to do is take this flat brush and we're going to go back into the yellow, and we're going to use this as the crease color. Okay, going back with the small fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend these two together like so. Okay, I believe I'm happy with with that. Right, so what I'm going to do is do my eyelashes and also prime my face off camera, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so my eyelashes are done, and I've also primed my face using the Kiko Milan primer like as a base, and then I've added makeup magnesia on top of it, like on my nose area, because I get extra oily right there. So for foundation, we're going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 430. This is the mattifying one. I'm just gonna put this all over my face. This is why I love putting my makeup over hair, because there's no hair getting stuck when I'm applying foundation. It's lovely. I don't know if you guys have realized as well, when I'm applying foundation, I always do my nose last, because you don't want too much foundation on your nose, because that's when it gets cakey and it's just a mess. So literally I apply most of my foundation like around my cheek area, and then whatever's left over, I'll go over my nose, because I don't want a lot of products, especially when I'm going to add concealer on top of it to highlight. It's going to get too cakey. I got this spot right there, it hurts so much. Okay, so next we are going to highlight, and I'm taking my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 390. Okay, to blend, I'm going to take my damp beauty sponge. Okay, and to set that, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty loose powder in the shade Honey. It's mixed with the black opal powder in medium. You really want to like press this in, don't bake. I feel like baking gives you like a white cast, which you will get in pictures. So make sure you press the powder in and use that same damp sponge that I used before. It just blends the powder in nicely. Okay, and to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty powder foundation in 430. Alright, we're now going to bronze the face. I'm going to take my Tammy X Revolution Tropical Twilight, and I'm going to take the bronzing shade right there. Okay, and then I'm going to take the blush shade to just blush. Okay, I'm going to quickly going back with the eyes. I'm just going to put a bit of red on my lower lash. Okay, I'm happy with that. Right now I'm just going to spray my face using my Avon setting spray. And then I'm just going to pat it in the curl. Right now I'm gonna highlight, taking the Revolution Vivid Baked bronzer. Okay, and for my cheeks, just gonna use the fan brush. Going back to the blush brush, I'm just gonna blend that. Okay, I'm gonna take the NARS Climax mascara, and I'm going to do my lower lash. Okay, and for lips, I'm gonna take my dark brown pencil and the Fenty Beauty cream lip gloss in the shade Honey Waffles. Okay, I'm just gonna put the gloss on top now. Okay guys, that's the face. I love the eyes. Do you guys see the art on my eyes? There. Right, I don't want to do this. Okay, I just want to put a headscarf on, but then put a wig on. I'm gonna put a wig on. Decide the way I'm gonna have the wig up, down, whatever. We're gonna figure it out, and I shall be right back. So do not go anywhere. The video ain't done yet. I'll be back. Alright guys, so I've decided to have my hair up because I'm going outside. It's cold, windy. If I had it down, it'd just blowing all over my lip gloss, and we don't need that. But I think it looks cute. It looks cute. And this is a trick as well. If you have a closure wig and you want to pull it up, as long as you have a hairband, it's all good because you can't see the tracks or anything. So it looks good. But yeah guys, so this is the final look. This is how my face is looking. Don't know why I keep voguing nowadays. But yeah, I feel like there's hair on my lip or not. But yeah guys, so this is the final look. I really love how the eyes turned out, and I hope you guys did as well. If you like this video, make sure you leave a massive thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, make sure you share this video, and if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe, hit the subscription button and the notification bell as well, so you can get notified when I upload next. I've passed the 500 marks guys. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so if you can help me out, that would be great. So share the video, ask your friends and family to subscribe. That would help me a lot. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Yeah. No, yeah. Mr. No. Oh, my done.